Now it's quiz time.
Quiz time's right here every time.
Yes, it
I
is.
love quizzes. Okay, go.
Here are the questions from last week. Let's see how you did. The first one was, why do you need an investment policy?
Well, lots of reasons. One is that it outlines how you're going to deal with market volatility like we're seeing now. And of course, planning, before things happen is when you should plan, not after and trying to deal with it. It's not nearly as effective.
And next one is, what is a sound strategy regarding gold?
Well, the one that isn't the sound strategy is not to buy high and hope for higher. It's a speculative bet based on human emotions. Treat it like a roll of the dice. It's basically a popularity contest. Act that way.
Ooh. Third is, why is a contingency plan important?
Well, because you make better decisions if you have a contingency plan in place. So think about your problems ahead of time and then plan for them. So when the fit hits the shan, you won't be in...
You're prepared.
You'll be prepared. Yeah, exactly.
And last of all, what do you do with poor job interview feedback?
Well, we talked about this a lot last week. So first thing is, in your interview, you can address it ahead of time so they take the boilerplate out of your review. When you ask them, well, why didn't I get the job? Well, we address that, right? So you can put it in the interview ahead of time. Also realize that many people don't want to give you negative feedback. They really want to be nice to you, and they just don't want to tell you it's because you're ugly or you're whatever. It doesn't matter. They don't want to say it. So they're just being nice. So just realize they're going to be nice. The other thing is, you don't even know if they have a hidden agenda. Somebody else already has the job and they're shoo-in. You could be window dressing. It's just, there's all kinds of things that could be a problem with giving you really solid feedback. Plus, they probably don't even care about you. They're just moving on with their job and their lives. So the best thing is to just move on as quickly as possible.
Well, what do you have for us this week?
Easy questions this week. First one is, what caused gold prices to move? Secondly, why is Jackson Hole such a big event? Third question is, what's the difference between risk and uncertainty? They should get that one, don't you think?
I think
they should.
so.
Yeah. And so the last question, you guys stay tuned for this, is organic food worth it? So we'll talk about that in a minute. Stay tuned.
Interesting.